All right, let's talk about a new tool that could seriously change the way you build things. You know how it is. If you're a founder or a creator, it all starts with that one idea. But let's be real, the hard part isn't having the idea. It's knowing if it's actually any good. We have to shift from asking, can this be built, to should this be built? And this is where we hit a wall. See, the old ways of validating ideas, they're kind of broken. The old way, you get a static PDF. The new way, a living workspace that actually evolves with you. Okay, so how does VCV8 actually pull this off? Well, it starts with a whole new mindset. Ideas aren't just sparks, they're complex systems. Every idea gets put through a 3-stage stress test: logic, real-world data, and user experience. That second stage, the reality link, is crucial. It's where your vision meets cold, hard data. And we're not talking about a quick Google search. This is data pulled from exclusive, paid APIs. Your idea gets a full 360-degree analysis across these 8 key pillars. No stone is left unturned. But here's the thing. The analysis isn't the end of the story. It's just the beginning. What if your report wasn't a grade, but the start of a real conversation about your idea? And this is where things get really interesting. Let's talk about the Strategy Hub. This thing turns your validation report into an interactive workspace. It's your new thinking partner. You can ask what if, play with different scenarios, and tweak your assumptions on the fly. So your validation isn't static anymore. It's a living, breathing thing that changes with you. So say you're wondering, hey, what if I were to target a totally different audience? Well, you can model that change instantly and see exactly how it would impact your entire project. So what's the bottom line for you, the builder? It really all comes down to empowerment. It takes that nagging, should I risk it feeling and turns it into data-backed confidence. Your idea deserves a real shot. VCV8 gives you the clarity to build smart. So are you ready?